Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. Today I want to show you a new player on the market of Hall effect keyboard with magnetic switches, right? And this is a T68-C. This is a gaming mechanical keyboard, 68% layout, which means we have a row key and page up, page down. This is a standard 68% layout. So for example, if you want another case, maybe you can use G65. Okay, this keyboard is from Kemove brand. I have several reviews of my channel, and in the past it was retro mechanical keyboard. It was really good built retro mechanical keyboards, but this time this is a budget gaming mechanical keyboard with Hall effect switches. So from the overall point of view, it's a super standard 68% keyboard. You have only USB-C on the back side. We have adjustable 2-level fizz on the bottom side. We don't have any battery because it's a wired. It can support Win or Mac operating systems. And basically that's all from overall point of view, right? Inside the box you will find a pretty good braided black USB-C cable, keycap puller, manual. Let's check what we have as a keycaps and switches. And by the way, if you need to, make it more efficient, you can use this keycap remover or puller from Kemove brand. So let me try how it works. And here you go. So you can use this tool and it will speed up change of keycaps 4 times, right? So from the keycaps point of view, we have a shine through without side printed legends. It's like top printed legends, which is a classical keycaps, pretty well made, shine through, and under them we have let me check. We have a golden magnetic switch, right? Let me pull out one of them. And don't worry, they're pretty tough. It's kind of hard to pull up the switches from this keyboard, but it's possible. So it's hot swappable keyboard, right? So basically this is a standard. Let me show you closer. So this is a standard KS20, like a Gatron Jade switch format, right? They're well made, pretty quiet, and I did check. This keyboard is compatible with magnetic Jade switch, which means you can use a pretty wide range of switches if you want to change them. But these switches are pretty good without any rotaling, and as I mentioned, they're pretty well inserted into the aluminum positioning plate, so it's no any sound at all, which is good, right? Under the switch you have, as I mentioned, aluminum plate, and you have some foam inside PCB sandwich, but we will check this during sound test, right? And we have a north-facing RGB. So this PCB is not suitable for side printed legends. From performance point of view, we have a declaration of 8000 Hz pulling rate, right? And we have a rapid trigger function, and we have a driver. This is not a web-based driver, so you need to download from Kemove official website this application for Win operating system. And then you can change pretty standard features like an actuation point and rapid trigger. If you want to check how I did this performance testing, you need to check this video on my channel where I explain all technical parameters of my testing approach. And from the performance point of view, I can confirm that yes, this keyboard supports 8K pulling rate. I did test this with my tool, and I did test it with a keyboard inspector tool. From the gaming test point of view, you can see that we have a slightly different patterns for default settings and settings with rapid trigger on, but we have pretty interesting pattern for the minimal settings, actuation point minimum and rapid trigger minimum, and it means that this keyboard really can on and off the switch pretty fast with these minimal settings, right? I do not recommend, obviously, to play with the settings, but you can see the difference with them and without. Now, let's check how this keyboard is sound. Okay guys, you saw the performance testing, sound testing, you can see a visual, how this keyboard looks. It's a pretty standard 68% gaming mechanical keyboard with rapid trigger and actuation point, magnetic switches, Hall effect, and really 8K pulling rate. If you have any questions or you have this keyboard and you can share your experience, I really appreciate it in the comments under this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe if you like this video, and also please consider to join a membership of this channel. In this way you will be helping me to produce even more such videos.